How to find business suite settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find business suite settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find the profile, and then just click this three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, as you see here, you will find business suite. And now all you need to do is just manage here anything you want. You can manage auto message or anything you want here. Just manage and then go back. It will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.